Hello students, welcome. Welcome to Ashwath's coaching online classes. In this video, I will tell you about the official NTA NEET syllabus of class 11 CBSE part 1. In this video, I will cover you about the unit 1 to unit 5 syllabus and topic and subtopics which are covered for NEET, and this is released officially by the NTA. Whatever the topic and subtopic I'm conveying in this video, you should not leave any topics and subtopics inside it. Whatever I'm telling, you have to note it and you have to read each and every topics and you have to practice for the exam, and there is no necessary for learning more than these topics. Okay, now let's go into the video. First, contents of class 11 unit 1 physical world and measurement. Under physical world and measurement, physics, scope and excitement, nature of physical laws, physics, technology and society. Need for measurement. Under this, units of measurement, system of units, SI units, fundamental and derived units, length, mass and time measurements, accuracy and precision of measuring instruments, errors in measurement and significant figures. Dimension of physical quantities, dimensional analysis and its application. These topics comes under the unit 1 physical world and measurement. Then we move to unit 2 kinematics. Under this, frame of reference, motion in a straight line, position time graph, speed and velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion, average speed and instantaneous velocity, uniformly accelerated motion, velocity time and positional time graphs for uniformly accelerated motion and graphical treatment. Elementary concepts of differentiation and integration for describing motion, scalar and vector quantities, position and displacement vectors, general vectors and notations, equality of vectors, multiplication of vectors by real number, addition and subtraction of vectors and the relative velocity. Unit vectors, resolution of a vector in plane rectangular components, scalar and vector products of vector, motion in a plane, cases of uniformly velocity and uniform acceleration, projectile motion, uniform circular motion. These all topics comes under the kinematics. Then we move to unit 3 laws of motion. Under laws of motion, intuitive concept of force, inertia, Newton's first law of motion, momentum and Newton's second law of motion, impulse, Newton's third law of motion, law of conservation of linear momentum and its application, equilibrium of concurrent forces, static and kinetic friction, laws of friction, rolling friction, lubrication, dynamics of uniform circular motion, centripetal force, examples of circular motion, that is vehicle on level circular road, vehicle on banked road. Then we will move to the unit 4 work energy power. Under work energy power, work done by a constant force and variable force, kinetic energy, work energy theorem, power. Notion of potential energy of a spring, conservative forces, conservation of mechanical energy, that is kinetic and potential energies, non-conservative forces, motion in a vertical circle, elastic and inelastic collisions in 1 and 2 dimensions. Then unit 5 motion of system of particles and a rigid body. Center of mass of two particle system, momentum conservation and center of mass motion, center of mass of a rigid body, center of mass of uniform rod, moment of force, torque, angular momentum, conservation of angular momentum with some examples, equilibrium of rigid bodies, rigid body rotation and equation of rotational motion, comparison of linear and rotational motions, moment of inertia, radius of gyration, values of moment of inertia for simple geometrical objects. In this, no derivation is needed. Then statement of parallel and perpendicular axis theorem and their applications. In upcoming videos, I will upload the future topics, and in the playlist of syllabus of class 11 and class 12 CBSE, you can find the chapter wise under the each unit. If for example, if you take unit 5, under unit 5 what are the chapters is coming, I have uploaded in that video. You can check in that, and under what chapters what are the topics are coming, that you can check and you can read it. Okay,